More than 3,500 people in the United States are in desperate need of a heart transplant. Some patients with end-stage heart failure are eligible for a pump that moves blood into the left chamber of the heart, but there have been very few options for people who have both sides of their heart failing. Now, for the first time in the U.S., surgeons have implanted an experimental total heart pump into patients. Your heart beats 100,000 times a day, 35 million times a year, 2.5 billion times over the average lifetime. But sometimes the heart doesn't pump as well as it should. Scientists have developed a device called an LVAD that helps the heart move blood on the left side, but in the past have had little success with a total artificial heart.
It sort of would make sense that if we can, build a rocket and send somebody to the moon, you'd think we then would be able to develop a pump that would be able to do things similar to the heart.
Now, a French medical company has designed a new type of bioprosthetic heart called the Aeson.
They developed a total artificial heart that mimics the human pulse on both the right and left side.
Dr. Slaughter and his colleagues at the University of Louisville implanted the Aeson in 2 patients with end-stage heart failure, the second and third recipients in the United States. During the complicated procedure, surgeons removed the patient's failing ventricles.
We would just sort of set this inside and we slide it in.
Then, much like a heart transplant, surgeons attach the pump. A lead line connects to a portable power source that keeps the device running.
They immediately feel better because their blood pressure is better, their pulse is returned to normal, their breathing is better because their lungs don't fill up with fluid.
The Aeson is designed as a bridge to transplant, giving patients more time until a donor heart is available. The Aeson Total Heart is already approved for use in Europe, where 20 devices have been implanted into patients. And that's your Health Watch. I'm Connie Fellman, Local 3 News.